from grade 9 Philippine Cobra FCS student. Today I will discuss the kitchen brigade system. Brigade system is a structured organization used in professional kitchen. It helps chiefs work together efficiently by assigning specific roles and responsibilities. Hot kitchen. The hot kitchen prepares food that are cooked using heat. It includes this brigade's position. Saucer prepares sauces, stews, and sauteed dishes. Number 2. Fusioner cooks fish and seafood dishes. Rotisserie roots meats and poultry. Number 4. Grillarden cooks grilled foods. 5. Friterer prepares fried foods. Entremeter prepare vegetables, soups, eggs, pasta, and starches. To cold kitchen, Gardemanger oversees the cold kitchen. 2. Pantry cook prepares salads, cold appetizer, sandwiches, and cold platters. Executive prepares cured meats, meats, terrines, and sausage and larger kitchens. Butcher and fortunes meats, poultry, and sometimes fish before they are sent to the hot kitchen. Patisser, the pastry chef manage the pastry section, preparing desserts, breads, cakes, pastry, and other baked goods. This is usually considered its own department rather than part of either the hot or cold kitchen. Kitchen brigade system helps keep the kitchen organized, improves teamwork, and ensure that food is prepared efficiently. Thank you for listening.